Welcome to OrthoGen 25. In this tutorial, we'll go over OrthoGen Create's Create by Array feature. This volume creation option will take the plan view limits from our paper space and offset them to create an array of volumes. All we need to do is open the volume manager, click the Generate button, and we can choose how we want to create our volumes. Let's check Array, and then enter how many times we want the view to be shifted in the X and Y directions. Let's go with 6 columns and 2 rows for our array. Finally, click Generate and your volumes are created. Each volume will be named with its row and column number, and the z-limits will be set to default values of 0 and 1. We can easily change the z-limits on all of our new volumes by right-clicking the group name and clicking Select All. Now we can right-click the z-limits and click Apply to Selected. Now all of our array volumes have their z-limits updated. If we want to see what our volume will look like after it is placed, we can click the Preview button. This will apply the volume to our template drawing, so we can make any adjustments to the volume if it doesn't look right. Once we're ready to place our volumes, we can check all the ones we want to place and click Place Views. OrthoGen will apply all checked volumes to the template and save a drawing for each with the name of the volume. And in under a minute, we've created 12 drawings, each with 3 views. That's less than 5 seconds per view. Next time, we'll take a look at the Create by Grid option. But that's all for now. See you next time.